cage is pulling back. Breathe into that left side of your rib cage. Exhale, let it go. Low twisted lunge. Left arm to the sky. Peel your chest open. We're pulling that left side of the rib cage back just a little bit more. Reverse your warrior. Back heel spins down. Lift up and back. Good, you're gonna pull yourself, come up. You wanna grab that block in your left hand. We're coming to half moon. So that left leg does all the work as we tap forward. Right hand to your hip. Stack everything. Push into the left foot. Spread those toes. And again, the left leg can be down, toe tapping, hovering, or coming up. Reach through the crown of the head and lift out of that left hip. And slowly step it back. Come stop. Lift up and back. Down dog. Head is super heavy. Let it all go.